In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Anonymous LLC step by step. Whether you're trying to protect your privacy so your personal information won't be listed in public records, or you want to avoid any potential frivolous lawsuits, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do in order to have your LLC to stay anonymous. So your first step is to choose a state that actually allows you to register an LLC without having to disclose all the members' names within your LLC. In most states, it's mandatory to list out all your members in the filing process, but there are 3 states that don't have this requirements, and these 3 states are Delaware, New Mexico, and Wyoming. And in my own personal experience, I've always gone with Wyoming. The next step is to hire a registered agent. So the registered agent is basically the middleman between the state and your LLC. It can also help you receive any legal documents or mail that you may receive. Third step is to file the Articles of Organization. This is a document that officially establishes your LLC. It includes basic information like your LLC's name and also your registered agent's name and address. The fourth step is to create an operating agreement. This step is generally not required by the state's filing, but it is crucial to have it set up internally. The purpose of this agreement is to outline any management structure or roles within your own LLC. Next step is to obtain the EIN, which is the Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This is basically the ID number for your LLC, and it's necessary in order to file taxes and also open up a business bank account. The last step is to maintain privacy in your operations. For example, if you need to make any compliance filing for your LLC, you will want to go through your registered agent and have them do it on your behalf. So that way you don't need to fill out any of your personal information on any filing documents. And one of the easiest ways to complete all the steps that we just talked about is with a company called Bizee. So Bizee is what I've used several times to set up my own LLC, and the process is always seamless, and I've always had a really good experience with them. They have helped over 1 million customers form their LLCs, and overall they have a really high ratings. So definitely it's a reputable company. So next you can click on the first link I listed down in the description, and it will take you directly to this page, and I'll walk you through the setup process. It's very simple. It only takes a few minutes. First, we are going to select the entity type. We are going to select LLC, and we are going to select the state of formation. So in this case, we are going to go with Wyoming, and then just click on Start My Business. So here are the 3 different packages that you could choose from, and I would recommend you to go with at least the standard package, as this will include everything that we talked about. If you do need a more expedited filing, then you can consider to go with the premium package, as that will give you a faster filing time. And with the premium package, it also comes with many of the useful business contract templates included, so that has great value as well. So feel free to compare the different packages and see which one is right for you. So for right now, we'll go with the standard package. So we can select the standard package, come down here and just click on continue. So here you would just need to enter your LLC's name. So I would just go with my name as an example, and you would have to choose a designator. So I would just go with LLC, select this one. So this would be my company's name. And are you registering an entity containing a word or words in any form of a foreign language? No, and click next. So here is where you can select the state filing time. If you're not in a rush, then you could select the 3 weeks filing time. And if you want your LLC to be filed faster, then you can select the faster filing time. So for right now, we'll just go with the regular and click next. So here you would just need to put down your contact information, your name, email, and phone number. Click next. So next we have company address information. We recommend using our virtual address service if maintaining your personal privacy is of importance. And here are the benefits of using a private virtual mail address: keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notification of any incoming mail, maintaining a physical presence even if you're not physically there, and you get permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world. So if you want to keep your personal information private and have the ability to receive mail, then I highly recommend you to go with the virtual mail service. So we'll select this, come down here, and put in your contact address. So this contact address is only for them to deliver any documents relating to this order, and it is only for them to use internally, and they will not share with any third party. So you can just enter your address, and when you're done, just come down here and click next. And then here we have the premium service package. So that includes any of the business contracts templates, expedited filing service, domain name and business email address. So you can check this out to see that if it's useful to you. If it is, it could definitely be helpful. And for right now, I'm just going to say no thanks. I will pass on this opportunity. select number of members. So in this case, I will just click 1 because I am the only member. And then I can come down here, use the assigned company address provided by Bizee. That's what I'll do. I will check my name. You have selected for Bizee to provide you with a company address. We will use the company address for the member information in order to shield your personal information from being publicly available. So that's what gives you the privacy protection. And then come down here and click next. So here we have the registered agent information. So I will just select assign Bizee as my registered agent free for 1 year. So a great thing about Bizee is that you get registered agent for free in your first year. So that's already been selected. Come down here and click next. So next one is the EIN information. So EIN is the employer identification number. It's basically the ID number for your business. So I will just select my name and then enter your social security number. Come down here and enter your physical street address. And I will select the assigned company address provided by Bizee and then click next. Next, you can set up your small business banking if you want. I will just come down here and skip. So I will just say no, not at this time, and then click next. Next, you can sign up for a free tax strategy consultation. I will just say I'm not interested at this time. Come down here, click next. So next we have business licenses and permits. So if you want Bizee to help you identify what type of licenses you need for the business that you plan to run, you can opt in for that here. Otherwise, you can just say no thanks, I'll do the work myself. And then come down here, click next. Here we will just need to review the order. So you want to make sure that all the information that you have entered are accurate, and just come down here, click next. And the last step is you just need to enter your billing information. So you can select PayPal or credit card, check your name, and enter your credit card number, billing address, and come down here, click on I agree, and you just need to complete and pay, and then your order is completed. And here is what to expect after you process your payment. Bizee is going to prepare and file your documents. They are going to check the business name availability. They will make sure that it's available and ready to use in your state. And they will compile your information to create the articles of organization. And once everything is ready to go, usually within 24 hours, they'll forward the documents and your payment to the government agency in your state. So the entire process is super streamlined, and you'll be able to log into your account to see your progress. A tracking link will also be provided in the order confirmation email. Bizee make it really easy, and if you have any other questions, you can also reach out to them as well. Their customer service is really great. So this is how you can set up your LLC by using Bizee. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.